tried going to school. We really did. Should we, like, count the vlogs? I don't know what that's, like, actually called. Like,
called it daying.
I called it daying. But now I realize how ridiculous that sounds outside of my mind. It means, like, you know, instead of just having, you know, February 6th, 2014, it'd be like February 6th, day
1.
Oh, what day would it
7.
be? Yeah, something like that. 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7, so it was right. We were right in just guessing.
7.
I'm recording George. Already started. Oh wow, that's a car. I think that's the most annoying sound ever. I know, right? It's literally the worst.
There's a branch on the tree that wants to fall.
What?
There's a branch on the tree that wants to fall.
Yeah, it's just like, just let me go. It has started to snow. Hasn't it, guys? They're too busy doing work. After all that work and shoveling and whatnot, it started snowing again, so that sucks. My hands are cold. My shoes have holes in them as far as I know. And I can't wait to go back inside and draw and work on my cosplay, maybe. That is a really nice shot. Shot that I have in my brain right now.
Or up there.
Oh god, no, it's a lot less pretty without sunglasses on. Nice. Okay, now turn over there. I'm going to show you what I see, okay, guys? I'm trying to avoid Harper. They can't. Not bad. It's so pretty with sunglasses on. I hope the brightness didn't break your brain. Yeah, sorry, guys. Working hard or hardly working? Well, we're working hard. I don't know about you. Up yours. She did do a lot, though. Yeah, look at the stairs. They're so clean. How nice. I am so cold. I don't think the camera is focused, you son of a bitch. Harper, you need to get out of my way. Are you focused? I can't tell now because I'm looking at the front of it. No, you don't, Harper.
Yeah,
you're
okay.
done.
No, I'm not done.
Harper, I want you to shovel next to the car up there. Here.
That was a really good pan over. I was on Vicky and then I didn't want to get Harper, so I just went.
Oh.
Oh, good, she's not in it.
Because my day basically consisted of watching Save Your Life with the American Teenager, Season 1. What did your day consist of?
My day?
Yeah.
That's
We're
what
so
my day
eventful.
consisted of drawing.
Anyway, say goodnight.